Sanwo Olu installs ex-commissioner as 15th Oba Oniru. Lagos State Governor Mr. Babajide Sanwo Olu on Sunday installed Oba Abdulwasiu Omogbolahan Lawal Abisogun II as the 15th Oniru of Iruland in Eti-Osa local government area of the state.
The people and government of Lagos State have the honor to present the staff of office, His Royal Majesty Oba Abdulwasiu Omogbolahan Lawal, the Abisogun II, the Oniru of Iruland. Thank you.
Until his recent resignation, Prince Lawal was the Lagos State Commissioner for Agriculture. Lawal succeeded late Oba Idowu Abiodun, who passed on in September 2019 at the age of 82. Speaking at the occasion of the installation and presentation of staff of office, Sanwo Olu described traditional rulers as strategic in the society. He said that the traditional rulers were not only symbols and custodians of traditions and cultures, but also rallying point for all of society, agents of stability and development. The governor commended Lawal on his emergence as the new Oba while calling on the people of Iru Kingdom to work with him. It is my firm expectation that you will all rally round your new Oba and join hands with him for the growth and progress of Iruland and of Lagos State. Given the pedigree of His Royal Majesty, I have no doubt that his reign will be a progressive one. Your Royal Highness, I pledge the full support of the state government toward the realization of our vision for Iru Kingdom. It is heartwarming to see how the kingdom has grown in leaps and bounds in the last few decades, rising to become one of the economic nerve center of Lagos State. Our administration will continue to accord this part of the state, like others, the attention you deserve in terms of infrastructure, economic empowerment, human capital development, and security, he said. According to Sanwo Olu, there is no doubt that the future of Iru Kingdom continues to be bright and promising. He said that the ascension of His Royal Majesty Oba Abdulwasiu Omogbolahan Lawal Abisogun II marked the start of the next phase of the journey into a bright and promising future.
Please, can I have a resounding Abisiu?